Today we're looking at Go Math Lesson 1.6 with the essential question, how do you multiply by a one-digit number? If we look at the standard algorithm, we can get confused. So if we break it down, it might be a little bit easier to understand. When we write 293 times 9, we write the 3 digits on top times 9. But what are we really writing or doing when we use the standard algorithm? Let's break it down a little bit more so we can see what we're actually doing. When we're multiplying 3 times 9, the 3 is in the ones place. So 3 times 9 is 27. The 9 in 293 is in the tens place. So what we're really doing there, we're not multiplying 9 times 9. It's really 9 times 90. So if it's 9 times 90, we have 810. And the 2 in 293, that's 200. So that's 200 times 9. So if we look at it that way, and then add it up, that it's really 3 times 9 to get 27, 9 times 90 to get 810, and 200 times 9, it might make the traditional algorithm make a little bit more sense. So if we add up the ones place, we get a 7. 2 tens plus 1 10, we have 3 tens. 8 plus 8 is 16, so we regroup into that's 800 plus 800 is 1600, so we put down the 6 and regroup the 1, so we have 2637. If you look at partial products, it might make the traditional algorithm make a little bit more sense. So let's look at the traditional algorithm. When we're multiplying 293 times 9, that's what we're actually doing. If we take 293 times 9, that's why we're regrouping, or what regrouping is. There's the 3 times 9. We put down the 7 because we have 7 ones, but we have 2 tens. Okay, so 9 times 9 that's really not 9 times 9. That's 810. But we have two tens up here to go into the tens place. So that really is the 830 that we saw. So we put down the 3 and move the 8 over to the hundreds place, because that was in the traditional algorithm, or the extended algorithm, that was in the hundreds place. So 2 times 9 is 18 plus 8, we have 26. Because remember, this is really not 2 times 9, that's 200 times 9, plus another 800. So we have 2,637. The answers are the same, but in the traditional algorithm, you're not working with individual numbers. The 3 is in the ones place, so it's 9 times 3. The 9 on the top number is 90 times 3, and the 2 is really 200 times 3, and we're regrouping from each place. Well, I hope that helps you to understand a little bit better about why we're regrouping in the traditional algorithms.